Mr. Katu, you don't feel hard?
I'm good.
You're good. Yo man, we are here with Mr. Katush doing this. Yeah, we're actually doing the thing. We're almost done. We have been moving, shoveling these things. Hello, good evening. This is MtkPol. Yeah, your first time coming to watch this live video, I suggest you subscribe to this channel because I'm sharing some important life hacks that's gonna help you maybe make some money in the village, or perhaps maybe where you are. So for me, this is not a shoot session. This is a serious thing, and this is the strategy that I've been using to keep my pocket very full. So as in for gold, whenever you want gold, you need to get into the mud. You need to become a gold digger. That's what I did. I incorporated my skills, my energy and my effort in getting the money where they are. So this is a true life story and it's not a fiction, man. So enjoy this till the end and you're gonna understand how you can make even close to more money, man. Goodbye. We've been shoveling this, yeah, from this way. Yeah, I'm here with Katumbe, the industrious funny man here in the village. We want to drink this, yeah, with those Amandas. We're gonna do more videos with Mr. Katush. Bye. The village crazy man. Convincing yourself to do shitty job is among the hardest tasks that exist in the human mind. Bro, do it. Convince. Yo bro, put your degree aside and get to work. Get to work. No one will save you, man. Yeah, it's a time for the lawyer pride, you see, man. Lawyer pride ugali. And this is how we do it. Yeah, with Mr. Katu. I know you can relate, man. And finally we are done, you, with Katush. Yeah, Mr. Katush is doing service, man. Doing this, man. Yeah, our tools. Yeah, we have just shoveled the manure out of this, the other sides, and this way. Yeah, let's link later.
The second practice is getting the cows, the sᴜŒ and sell them. So this is how we do it, man. So first of all, you need to get to the farm early in the morning.
Yeah, getting to the farm, you'll get the cows, then you come and tie them and sell. Simple. That was me. I was breaking. No, I don't know. Yeah, as you can see, many people are here doing this practice. So it's a common thing out here in our village, man. This is how we make monies. More so, there were many ladies. For the boys, I guess maybe I was the only one. Yeah, incorporating the spirit of the eagle in my daily life is my rule. I fly alone, man. Yeah, see the girls and many women. Majorly this practice, you start with maybe 200 bob, then whenever you sell the sᴜŒ cows, you get a profit of 250 or 300. So it's a nice practice of making real cash in the village. Yes, you see, everyone is down doing the thing because it's your effort. The more you pluck, the more it's yours. So it's yours. That's the thing that you need to know. What's up, yo, man? Yeah, I'm here with SP Boy. We're here working. Yeah, this is a farm, man. Yeah, uprooting. It's like an uprooting exercise to us. We're actually removing these logs. They were being used to plant the passion fruit. There was a big irrigation scheme here for passion. Last time we did the pipes, we drew the pipe here from the shamba. So we are here working for the rich guys. See like those, that is a home, this is a school, and this is our immediate richest guy. I still have to do like those ones. Yeah, we are doing breakfast, man. Breakfast, man. Modokoi. SP boy.
Yes.
How's the modokoi?
Nice bana.
Too much tea. Luya culture, man. We are eating, man. I'm here with SP boy. This is a village work. We have been working here for some few hours and we are almost done. See, we have how we make money in the village. This is a part of how we make money here in the village, how the boys do it. Yeah, I'm normally a random boy. I like doing stuff. We are yet to carry the logs. We'll be carrying the logs to the home. 12:48, man. Almost 1 p.m. Working my ass off is something that I've been working on. It's only determination, efforts, and a clear focus on what you want in life. The day you will understand that you're gonna work for it. For me, I know the things I like. I know what needs to be done to get there. There is it, man. Yo, man. So we are done. This is the last post that we're carrying. Removing these posts in the midst of this land so as it can pave way for the tractor to plow this field. We are done. We demand payment. All men work out. So we've been carrying this post. You can observe. See this? Done now. Unfortunately, I was on a dry spell. I needed to irrigate my throat. Ooh, drops in the desert, man. Yo, money's here. Go get it. Money will furnish the happiness in your life, bro. Go get it, man. Here with the Daraja Pro Spain, man. Yeah, we're doing the planting here, we. Farming with Daraja Pro Spain.
Beba hapo Murio. Ya MTK.
Uko chini.
Tumesameani.
Hii mbolea.
Rabani kisirani kila kona.
So many we're working here in the plantation. Today's planting season. People are busy in the farm. I'm here to just generate the noise. Yo, man. Ben. We are done.
MTK.
We are done with the Daraja.
Yo.
Yeah, some dollars here, some dollars. This is $1, $1, $2, $3, $4, some many dollars, man. Efforts is rewarded. Only a fool believe that people need to be rewarded the same for doing an equal effort. That's it, man.